Alright, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Kedushas Levi, Rebbe Levi Yitzchak B'tzor Sashim, Rebbe This week's Parshas, Parshas Ekev. In the book of Deuteronomy, chapter 8, verse 1, we read, Kol mitzvah asher neichem tzav chayim tishmun es haaretz. So the verse says, all of the commandment which I command you today you should keep, and then it goes on to speak about the land. The klalhu, the general idea is as follows. Afilu im adam einu yachol kaim kol mitzvos. Even if a person is unable to fulfill all the commandments, for example, if one does not reside in the Holy Land, he's unable to fulfill the commandments that are agricultural in nature and only apply in the Holy Land, as most of the agricultural commandments only apply in the Holy Land. Or even if he resides in the Holy Land, but he's not a farmer. But if he desires and waits to fulfill them, it's considered as if he did so. That's what's hinted to here. It says, all the commandments which I command you today to perform, to do, when it says you should keep, it's just like we're going to see, what does that mean to keep, to perform them? All these commandments that you should keep to perform them, we'll explain that in a moment. But it means to say that you should wait to perform the commandments that are agricultural in nature, and through this you'll be worthy to fulfill them. For example, in Genesis chapter 37, verse 11, when Joseph talks about his dreams, it says that his father Jacob kept the word, meaning lashon mitzapeh, means that he was waiting for it, and so too to keep, to perform. And through this, as aretz, you'll go and you'll take possession of the land. You'll be worthy to enter the Holy Land, to fulfill the mitzvahs, to fulfill the commandments. And that's the purpose of the Holy Land. It's nothing to do with nationalism or anything else, only has to do with keeping the commandments of the Holy Land. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment, and we'll see you later.